Me L back with another one. Now we hit 1K, motherfuckers. So I'm kidding. I cannot dance for shit. But yes, guys, we hit 1K. Yo, shout out to DJ Deej. My girl stayed up to see that 1K hit, man. I love y'all, man. I love you, DJ Deej, for real. I was actually shocked to wake up to that this morning. Shout out to everybody who showed me love in my DM. Shout out to LaFleur. Shout out to Lisa. Shout out to Nika Harding. Shout out to I know I'm not crazy. Where's my fucking phone? Where's my fucking phone? Shout out to Sammy Dart and shout out to Code 31. I'm missing somebody. Shout out to Oh, it's my motherfucking pocket. I'm missing one. I know I'm missing one. I want to give. Oh, shout out to Twin Lillian Luasi. Thank you. Bigger and better things. Yep. Thank you. Thank you, yo. Thank you to everyone who hit me up in my DMs. Shout out to Renia Cano. Thank you for the shout out. I appreciate all of y'all. Each and every one of you that made this happen. I truly, truly appreciate y'all across the board. Thank you. I love you guys. I was going to get a cigarette and a beer, but I was like, you know what? Like, I've been on my liquid fast. So my liquid fast is from, like, I do liquids throughout the day until 5 p.m. I eat something light, and then I just call it a day. It's more so proteins, no bread, no cheese, none of that crazy stuff. And I've been feeling good. This is day 4. So I didn't cheat. I didn't do none of that. So I'm doing really good. I'm really, really proud of myself. But yeah, I'm really excited. Also, I am reacting to Kianna J's second Vlogmas. I did a reaction to the first one, so y'all will see that posted. I did it last night, but I forgot to post it last night. But this one I'm reacting to is we went jet skiing and this happened. Before we get started, I'm going to say, fuck you, FedEx. All right, so anybody who knows me knows I love Buddhas. I collect Buddhas. I get random gifts of Buddhas. All right. So my peoples who was supposed to come down there, she's supposed to come down here for a while, but you know, due to Philly, the lockdowns, and she's in Jersey, all this other shit. So I hear like a scratching sound downstairs, and I'm like, what the fuck? It sounded like something was thrown on my porch. So I went down there, opened doors to see a FedEx. Now mind you, FedEx was already on my shit list because my sneakers that I just got, a neighbor. Well, it said it was delivered yesterday, and I obviously didn't get a knock on the door, no package on the porch, or nothing. So I'm like, whatever, it's what it is. File my claim, call it a day. One of my neighbors hit me up. He's like, yo, these motherfuckers is just dropping all the packages that's due to anybody around here and left it at an abandoned property. So that's what they keep doing. He said they keep doing it, and I'm dropping off the packages to the correct addresses. They like, fuck it. So I'm like, they some fucking dick beans. Now I'm starting to believe they are dick beans. This is the second delivery. Now my people sent me a Buddha. Let me show y'all the result. Turn down this light because I don't think y'all see this, John. All right, you see this first one? They just threw the box. Just threw it. It slid on the motherfucking porch. This is a gift. These cunt-faced bastards. Yes. Yes. So I showed my friend, like, listen, thank you for the gift. I appreciate it. But look what these bitches did. But yeah, FedEx, you can eat a dick. You can swallow the dick. You can choke on a dick. If you can't breathe after you choke on a dick, then it's not my problem. That's how I feel about FedEx at this point. But I'm not gonna hold up any more motherfucking time. Y'all know what time it is. You know what day it is. Oh, wait. No. That's tomorrow. And I'm off tomorrow. So everybody's like, you didn't do my reaction request yet. Chill out. I got you tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. So yeah, 3 days of me doing reactions. So I got y'all. So. Oh, and I agree with y'all. I was reading the comments. I think I wasn't even thinking that far. Yeah, I think those are gifts for Easy. I did mention in the video that I think that she probably used money from her birthday and her card for the thing, but still, that shit caught me off guard. I don't know why I still got this on. But yeah, post notification gang shout outs goes to Latana Gentry. I see you, girl. Norris Williams, I see you. Poetic Libra, I see you. Kelly's World, what's good? I see you, girl. Caitlin Monroe, what's good? I see you. Courtney Williams, I see you, girl. Black Widow 242, I see you. Beverly Opperman, what's good? I see you. Hey, y'all, my birthday song. Y'all know I'm going to keep doing it. I ain't going to stop. Linda Dox, what's good? I see you. Pink Naomi Love. Oh, yeah, you was first? Okay, my bad. I see you, girl. Markeisha McGee, I see you. What's good? Who else? Ebony Barrett, what's good, sis? I see you. Jalen Grant, I see you. All right, let's see who's on the next one. Who's on the next one, actually. Pink Naomi Love, you was first. I see you, girl. Black Widow 242, I see you again. Norris Williams, I see you again. The Poetic Libra, I see you again. Thank you. Thank y'all for being in the comment. Motherfucker, what are you doing? Thank you for being in the comment section. Thank you for always being on it. Y'all do not motherfucking play. Thank y'all for believing in me to keep this thing going. Because sometimes, trust me, I have my days. And then y'all always come through and show love. And y'all really give me a reason to keep this channel going. Honestly. So I truly, truly, truly appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. I really, really do. I love you guys. Thank you. I'm not going to hold up any more motherfucking time. Let's see. Bitch, what the fuck are you doing? Oh, he's in the bathroom. Bitch. Oh my God. Oh wait, yeah, I did record it, so I'll be fine. All right, so I'm not gonna hold up any more motherfucking time. Just get to the Vlogmas posted by Kianna J. We went jet skiing and this happened. I'm gonna knock a few videos out tonight, and then oh, I see what it did. Damn. Okay. I fucked up. So I'm gonna be up here randomly doing shit. Cause I saved this reaction. Y'all don't care about this shit. Alright, so I'm saving that. But yeah, I honestly was gonna do beer and a cigarette, because trust me, that is my go-to. That was my go-to. But as I do this fast, you know, your mind's a lot clearer on what you need, and it was like, I don't need it. You know, it's like it's a cool one every once in a while, but I honestly didn't care to even have it, which I was honestly shocked. But hey, you know, you get older, you prioritize things differently.
What's up, my K-Dolls and kids? Welcome back to the Dollhouse. If you're new to the Dollhouse, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And it is Vlogmas Day 2.
like her intro. It's cute.
I don't know if my camera is dark or that's just the lighting, but we are kind of in a rush. We're going jet skiing. If you watched yesterday's Vlogmas, I told you guys that we were going jet skiing today. Little jet skiing date, I guess. So we're like really in a rush. We're trying to hurry up and get in the car. No, we're rushing, guys. I got Bae with me. Bae, say hi. Where you at? Say hi. We got Kianna.
That's high.
Can you put this back here?
What's that?
Put the thing. Thank you. Trying to hurry up.
No, it smells like them Doritos.
And yes, I still have on the same. I said still have on, like I slept in this. I put on the same swimsuit thing I had on yesterday, y'all, because.
What is that? Hey, I just broke your glasses.
Oh, it's okay. It's not okay. It's okay.
I like her.
Y'all should have broke my favorite. These are my airport glasses.
Oh shit.
Wow.
Yo.
I'm hot.
Yo.
Okay, let's get it. Okay, I gotta get your address.
Alright, we're leaving, y'all.
I'm just putting on mine. Fuck it. I'm just putting on mine.
Layers
Alright,
on
so we're
layers.
almost there. As you can see, it is like some traffic. But we're trying to hurry up and get there. We almost there though. GPS says 1 minuto. I don't know if that's minute in Spanish, but 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm excited to go jet skiing. This is their first time. How y'all feeling?
I'm scared.
Scared?
No, I'm
Scared.
okay though. Girl, shut your ass up.
I would be scared because I don't like
It's scary,
fucking
It's scared.
deep
But I'm
water,
excited.
dude. I don't like it.
Okay, we gotta go. I was gonna allow the duck, but we got a blast.
Let's do it.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog on the jet ski. I feel like that's dangerous, but I'm gonna try to get in some clips for y'all and make this vlog
This
real
day,
lit.
hey y'all. So clearly, y'all know y'all want to see me on Kianna vlog. Me and Kia actually, me and BFF.
I don't want to do all that. Shut the f up. It just turned green.
But listen though, y'all know we back in this thing. We almost at this beach, no cap. We late. Now we hella late. We actually 20 minutes late.
Stop, because we said we get there at 15. Oh, we're here. Right here. Oh, it's behind the Marriott. This is too much.
I'm sorry if I just look confused, y'all. Kianna, cut that out.
It's behind. What, remember he gave you directions.
He said it's behind the Marriott, so I'm guessing we can just go behind it. Like, you gotta go to Pier 3. But how do we do that? We just, I'm guessing we park and we go to Pier.
It's too. Why are you taking a guess when you could just go in your phone?
All right.
Call him.
All right. Let me call Angel.
He say like you know him. Alright, so we just got to the jet ski place. We're like super late. We're supposed to be here at 3.
That whole weather is a vibe, man. I need
Yeah, we're supposed to be good, y'all. See the boats? I feel like my vlogmas is really different. Like everybody else vlogmas like this one. We're doing summer on vlogmas.
Right.
I don't think it would go straight. Babe, would it just go towards straight to dock? I mean, it would continue straight towards them.
You turn. Yeah, right?
Yeah, the GPS it. I mean,
GP!
oh, no. Bro, if I knew how to swim, bro, oh God, I would just be hopping in water. No,
Bruh, we're trying to take a test. You have to take a test in order to get on jet ski. And Kia is going to take hers. Yeah. Me too. They is sorry. You did it? Babe. She didn't pass her test.
Oh shit.
you get to take it again.
Honestly, it is kind of
Y'all really had to take a test to fucking jet ski? I ain't never heard no shit like that. Damn.
That side to my head is like,
I ain't never heard no shit like that.
I just want to go jet skiing. Yeah, I have a black eye, literally. This spider bite gave me a black eye. You can't see it because I put makeup over it. But the spider bite definitely gave me a black eye.
How the fuck a spider bite give you a black
This boat's so
eye?
clean. Like, I really want to try a jet boat. They're fast.
That look
The jet
nice.
boat's fast, right? You pay attention when he come out.
That should remind me of Thunder, that show.
This boat, I want to get on this boat right here. This boat, like, it would be lit. That's the diva. So I got it. On our way to the, in my stand up. What was that? What was that? Do it again. On our way to the jet ski. It's so bright. Why the camera so bright? Ooh, y'all, when I tell y'all it's so cold out here. It's so cold. Hi.
You know her service.
Hopefully they understand. Y'all, it's so cold out here. It's freezing.
Two boats are operating each other.
Y'all, I'm going jet skiing with a hoodie on. Real ghetto with it. But we have to go jet skiing before the trip is over.
Honestly, it's not bad, man. It's not like super cold.
Where you go? I'm in Neiman. He went this way. Yeah, we're gonna go jet skiing. I really hope. I don't think I could get.
Slide
Yeah, I'm putting on this hoodie. Getting on the boat. So I miss getting on the boat. Get on right now? Get, oh. Okay. I thought I was playing myself in the jet ski with a hoodie on.
Take your chance out, Glenn.
But she got an idea, and she said it out loud.
That's okay.
Hey, we feeling good. We looking good. Already know. Good kid.
Kianna looks like she is so happy.
Good kid.
I don't even. I honestly, I don't even. Y'all already know I'm new to reacting to her channel. Let me turn down this fucking. I feel like I'm Michael. All right, it's a lot better. But I just really started reacting to Kianna's channel, and it's a vibe. Excuse me. And you can tell she likes right.
Y'all make her blush, K-Dog.
BFF, you really facing your fears right now being on this boat.
Yo, I feel you, bro.
I tuned in on the road.
I'm going to him. You a bug, bro.
Oh my god. And we got our wonderful guy here.
Our tour guide.
Our tour guide. We got Libby. Libby, we lit.
He like it.
Say hi to we lit. Why y'all sing everything? We trying. Y'all got a boomerang. There's no way.
Yeah. I would not. I could not be out there in that water. Look at that. Life jacket or not. God bless them. Because I can. It's beautiful though.
We just finished jet skiing. It was fun. Besides me getting a little aggravated with the way it was turning when I was driving, it got good. Shoot, everything good.
Oh wait, y'all was on there?
We just finished jet skiing. It was fun. Besides me getting a little aggravated with the way it was turning when I was driving, it got good. Shoot, everything
That's what's up. That's fucked up.
We had fun. I forgot to tell y'all, I almost tipped us over on the jet ski. And I felt like it was a shark like swimming around us.
See?
It was really bad.
I do not like sharks.
Yes, that water is so salty. I ain't tasting none. I didn't get in my mouth none. It was none. Yeah, like it was so salty in my mouth. Y'all, we finna head back to the room, get in the shower, and hit the strip and get some food. And yeah, I should have brought my phone.
This is the only thing that happens on the damn thing.
I'm gonna catch y'all. Ray wants to boomerang. Yeah, I'm sunblocking. Okay, guys, so we just left the hotel, took our showers, we changed. We're on our way to the strip. Our hotel is like literally right next to the strip, so we're gonna get some food, some hookah, some drinks, and just vibe out because it's our last night out here.
And we done everything down there now.
We've been out here since Saturday is now Thursday. We've been out here for a long time, so
We really went jet skiing.
yeah, we went jet skiing today. It was so fun. We had fun. Like, it was a vibe. I cannot drive no jet ski. I'm straight on it. Like, for real, I cannot do that. I can't drive no jet ski. I'm cool. That was crazy.
How you feel? Yeah,
How you feeling, Kia?
the jacket reflecting.
Mm-hmm.
For real, you look good.
You look good.
Look how she walk. Can you walk so cool?
Kia, cool. It feels so good out here. Like,
It look nice out there.
We haven't did was go to the
Look
beach.
dead as
Just
fuck.
like-
Look like Walking
Right.
Dead and shit.
It felt like that was way funner than the beach. I feel like if we would've went to the beach, that was way funner.
we could always go back to the beach. And she lives in LA. They both live in LA. It's nothing but beaches. Look at Kia's jacket in the vlog.
I look good.
It's glowing.
Wait, is it gray?
That's
Yeah.
how it would've been.
I have to be getting some food. I don't know what it is, but that shower got me feeling so good, and this warm little wind.
Let me call the club here, though. We finna get jet skis.
You finna get what? What you say?
I'm gonna eat that cat.
Hey. She's like, yeah, you know.
Bare
Uh-huh.
face.
Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag. Go get you the degree.
What was that? Oh, yeah.
Jumpy ass.
Yeah. If my voice sound weird, don't say nothing.
We're getting sick. Wish us the best of luck. We are getting sick. I had a really bad sore throat. Right.
My nose was just in there bleeding.
Yeah, her nose is bleeding. Her throat hurts. Her voice has changed. She sounds like a boy.
They just got COVID.
And
Damn.
then
Like,
Kia
don't do
says
that
she
on them.
thinks she has a common cough.
Yeah, I have a It's right here.
It's right here. They can't even see Kia, that damn jacket.
That's fucked up.
I look good.
Yo, I swear, me and Keith are the same height, y'all. They look tall as fuck.
She's talking about them in there, y'all. Oh, y'all can't see them.
Would you get back on the jet ski with me?
Yes, what?
You would.
Yes.
You was because you were talking about shit. You can't drive. You be going too fast.
You do, bro. You be going mad fast. Like the wind was breaking my eyes apart. Like, bro, the water's not going nowhere. Like, she be driving like it's her last drive. Bro.
I can't even say it right now.
Say it. Look at her. Y'all are treating me so good. I just be gassing in these fucking vlogs. Okay.
Yeah, I'm about to get some VVS diamonds.
Bling.
Yeah.
Wait.
She go. I'm about to get some VVS diamonds.
Oh, okay.
Bling.
I thought she said DDS. I'm like,
She gonna try to get that on your teeth. She gonna try to break it. Girl, you a bug. I'm definitely
You'll get some diamonds like.
I showed you the one I'm getting.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I said that you said that's raw.
Show me
And
again.
I bet you ain't nobody done this other than a dude Trill Sammy. I said
Let me
it.
see.
That shit go crazy.
Let me approve. Why my camera so
You
bright?
finna think that's so raw?
Let me approve.
That's,
Vlogmas Day 2. This is going up really late, but
people like your Vlogmas thing in Miami.
yeah, it's
So
different.
shout out to y'all.
right, it's a
Thank
vibe.
y'all.
Showing love.
It's crazy because like my views are doing really good on this other channel.
So
Like,
make sure.
y'all tuned in for real. Appreciate it. My life is interesting, I guess. Oh God. And she said next time we're gonna jet ski. She need my cousin behind her. Period. Y'all want to go to this ice cream place just because? Last day in Miami.
I get like a little thing of ice cream for my throat. Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Wait, no, not right now. Not right now.
I
I
don't
need
think
some,
ice cream is
baby, I
best
need
for
some
your
food. I can't eat ice
Mm.
cream then food. She's backwards, y'all, and that's ghetto.
That's
That's ghetto right there.
I'm just trying to live life. Okay, y'all, it's super cold out here. I'm sitting by this fake old heater. This heater not even heating. Heater not doing what's supposed to do. But we got our food. Oh, they can see it.
Ooh, lobster
Got our
tail.
food.
Here's lobster
I got
question. Because the first time I tried lobster tail, of course I tried it at Red Lobster. It probably was the worst place that I could have tried lobster tail. But when I tried it, it tastes disgusting and sour. It tastes funny. Is lobster tail good? Like, if you have to compare between lobster tails and crab legs, which one would you say is better? Comment section.
Tail is in focus. I got lobster tail, steak, vegetables, and mashed potatoes. And I got this big old margarita right here. We got some hookah going. They got some.
I would never understand.
What is it? Some shrimp. It's like some rice, crab leg. Thank you.
Don't fall, nigga.
She got some. Is that shrimp Alfredo? Yeah, shrimp Alfredo. Looks really good over there. And we just vibing, y'all.
Right.
Listen, whenever y'all get food, make sure y'all say y'all grace. Okay? Always be thankful for what you got.
Right.
I'm finna eat, y'all. So I guess I'll catch y'all in a minute. It's late, so y'all gonna get this vlog late. It's currently 8:06. It's not focusing.
Right.
But it's 8:06, y'all. Y'all get the point. Not too. Y'all, Ray expects me to take my hood off. Here,
I like her. She's so funny.
Y'all, Ray expects me to take my hood off. There,
I was trying to look to see what that was as far as.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna get some ice cream from this ice cream parlor, and my camera's still not focusing. I want to get ice cream from here since we've been over here, but Ray never wants to. Ray never wants to take me. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. I'm trying to vlog in peace. Can I please vlog? Please let me vlog in peace. I'm just getting some ice cream, some sweets. I don't know why I've been having a sweet tooth, and I'm not really a big sweet eater, so I'm pretty surprised. But hey. No cap,
Yo, how she just. Hey! She just took that camera off. Like that shit.
No cap, y'all. My back was straight. Banging. I need to redo my twist, so don't like try to come in my neck. And y'all probably like, Ray, where your voice at? Bro, my voice is gone. That's from this trip when you know you're lit.
Right.
Cap. Saucy Kia in the cut. Don't give a A.
I like that. A lot.
Get your a lot head ass. Girl. No cap, y'all. This little fruit little thing in there, it's looking hella good. This girl always wants some sweet.
Can I get a
What the fuck is that? A sample?
No, I don't.
How much is that? $20?
This girl always
I'm thinking she's getting a waffle cone. What the fuck is
Can I
that?
get a
That is a
No,
fucking
I
sample,
don't.
y'all.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all, so we just got back to the hotel. I'm super tired. Ooh, I just hit myself in the chest that hard. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I really want to go to sleep. I'm about to edit this vlog so you guys can have it tonight, because you know it's Vlogmas Day.
Come on, this fucking.
So make sure y'all stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 3. I have to pack my clothes. Look at these two. Huh. I have to pack my clothes. As you can see, my clothes is a mess. Ray folded all her clothes all neat and stuff, and then there's me. Why? Now, can I please vlog? Please. No, when I was trying to do you, what you was doing? Squirming? Nope. Go get the same treatment. Anywho, I have 3 suitcases I have to. Come here.
What?
Stay right. I have 3 suitcases I have to. And then, y'all, I have 3 suitcases I have to pack for the 3rd, 4th time because this girl. So I'm about to pack my suitcases. I got stuff everywhere. I got stuff in here. I'm tired. We've been out here for so long. But today was really fun. We went jet skiing together. Almost fell off the jet ski.
Of course.
And it was a vibe. But anywho, you guys.
That whole
Hope you
trip was
guys
like it's a
enjoyed
vibe.
this short vlog. I think it's going to be short. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram. It's Poppy4_. Add me on Snapchat. It's Poppy131. And follow your girl on Twitter. It's PoppyK_KY. And I'll see you guys soon. I have to get ready for the flight. So.
Loved it. Yes. So that's it for the reaction. I'm gonna knock out a few more, I guess, Vlogmas reactions tonight. And yeah, that's it. So any reaction requests for the upcoming week, for next week, drop in the comment section below. Like I said, I'm doing reaction requests from mid-November to Monday throughout the weekend. All right? So yeah, that's my reaction. I'm your host, Al. And on to the next one. What do I always say? Be yourself, be yourself, be your motherfucking self. Fuck who? Fuck who? Fuck anyone else. I'm your host, Al. I'm out.